Hey, good morning. Today's agenda, we gotta finish getting the pantry drywalled. Put the drywall in. Today, we gotta make some built-ins. So, that's what we're gonna do. Let's see how it goes. Just two of them, pretty simple builds. So, let's go for it. I forgot to cut this to height. So let's do that. See if we can do it. Dang. All right, camera dead, but got them in, got them clamped, got the doors in and clamped up. This base cabinet is ready to go for paint. This base cabinet's ready to go. I think I'm gonna paint them. I think we're gonna paint them on site. So probably bring them there tomorrow and get them installed and get ready to paint. So long day, productive day, get a lot done. So feels good.